Hi everyone, so today we're going to try out Die Press's new pull tab kit called Cheers that they have brought to HSN for the October Craft Day. If you were seeing this video, it is available, so I will go ahead and link in the description box. That will be an affiliate link, which means I'll make a small commission for your purchase items to those links. And this was sent free of charge for my review, and of course all opinions are my own. So you guys, today we're checking out Cheers. I recently showed you the Season of Magic, or the little holiday one with the pull tab, and it is just so cute. Oh my goodness. So today we're gonna make a card using this set, and let's check it out. So let me open this up. Oh yeah, look at the little flowers, super cute. So this one, like I said, it has more of, in my opinion, of like a birthday feel, that kind of celebration. But let's look at the inspo sheet, and hopefully I won't forget to look at each and every little item that's on it like I did the last time. I was like, oh, you know what, I didn't show you guys the icons. So they're showing you what it might look like on a 5x7 card, on a slimline card, on a tag. Super cute. Just, you know, the balloons and the party hats, and then we have bouquets here. Of course, your little gift that opens up and down, or the little flower bouquet, I guess, that goes up and down from its little pot. So that's the difference here that we have. So let's see here. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, and I was gonna say maybe you have to get the square one from, or the rectangle shape from the other set, but no, it comes in this set too, so that's really nice. So again, you have the bouquet, the pot, optional ribbon, you know, with the whatever sentiment or image you want to put in there, and then the gift one that's similar to the one I just showed you from the holiday set, where the gift pulls up and down, but it's just more gift looking, like everyday kind of gift, celebratory kind of gift, as opposed to the one that had like holly and cute things like that. Very similar, so we will definitely put this together. Super cute, just adorable. I mean, this is a really nice size. Look at the top on that one. I mean, look at my hand, and you can see the top of the bouquet. It looks like there's a couple of bouquet options, possibly, because what this looks like. So let's check this out. Really fun and festive colors. Look at the little money. That's so cute. Or like tickets. You have another bouquet. So again, these are the icons. The little balloon animal, of course, we love. We have to and from. You have the word love. The gift, the tops of your gifts, the little bowl or vase kind of thing there. You have your party hats. You have like little music and streamers. I love the little confetti that Die Press does whenever they have this kind of thing on their gifts, or in their gifts. Well, yeah, gift sets or celebratory sets. They're so cute. You can color them in really well if you would like to. They're so easy to color. Yeah, so we have two different bouquet tops on this one. The little desserts there, and a bow. Happy birthday, make a wish. You know, thanks a whole bunch. Happy You Day. Cheers to many more. I mean, there's just rooting for you, you're invited. That is really cute. So again, the pull tab with this one has little, it looks like roses and like little posies, and this one has more like springtime flowers is what it looks like to me, like little daisies and cute things. So yeah, we're just going to hit the ground running, guys. So let me grab, oh, it also comes with the 3D foam adhesive that you'll need. But yeah, let me grab a card base, some papers and things like that, and we will get started. So, having, you know, gone through the other one with the little gift, I'm pretty well know how to create these. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and do the flower pot. So let's do that. This is the area that has like the hidden message or those kind of things. So I'll probably cut that out of a different paper. Last time I used the alcohol ink marker paper, I didn't really need to. But we do need, you know, our top, our vase or bowl, and then I'll also do a bow, why not? So I have this piece here. And again, this alcohol ink marker paper, because that's what I'll be using to color, but you know, color pencil, watercolor, whatever it is that you like to use. Let's see. Let's go with this little guy. And again, the dies pretty much are right around the edge of that, but I do want to make sure that I'm not leaving enough, so, or that I am leaving enough so that it looks good there. We also need the bowl, and then I'll do that little bow. Oh my gosh, the little animal. Oh, look at the little beer. That is so cute. Okay. Let's put this, maybe I'll move that tape. That. It might be pushing it, but let's put it up a little bit like this, and this one a little bit down. Okay. So those are those guys. I'll stamp the message part later. So for right now, I need these guys all inked up and stamped, and then I'm just gonna grab alcohol ink markers and I'll just color them, guys. You know, I don't consider myself a colorist. I just usually start with the light and the dark, sometimes the light and the medium, sometimes all three colors. It just depends on how much I'm coloring and what I'm doing. But again, these are acrylic stamps. I was gonna say alcohol ink. No, they're not. Oh, I'm missing a whole bunch. Right here, I did see that there was an air bubble there, so it's possible I'm not gonna get it even pushing down under this one. There we go. Oh, hold on. All right, so I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'll just start coloring them. Just a lot of random colors, you know, that I have. But I think that's that for right now. Yep. Okay, I'll be back. So just a little music, I mean, just a little coloring, whatever it is that you like to do, your style is awesome. Okay, with these guys we need a couple things, so we'll need this die in just a minute. And on the other one I was able to see pretty well where I was cutting. It's not as easy to see here, but you can't see that top line and that bottom line, so I'm assuming the rest, you know, it's not too far over this way or this way. I think it's going to be okay, so I would just probably put it right there. Tape that down. Put a couple pieces of tape or bow, you know, you can see pretty much right through there. Tape that down, run that through, and then this guy was this one, and again also just tape that down, run it through. And then we need our sentiment that's going to be pulled out, or image, or whatever it is that you're going to do. I think I'm going to use this color just for something different. Really cute here, they use the brown, so it was like, you know, dirt, I suppose, rooting for you. But I'm just gonna use this cute little kind of peachy color here, and let's do thanks a whole bunch. That's cute. This is today is the oldest you've ever been. That's really cute. Okay, I guess that's true any day, isn't it? We're gonna use this guy, and again, this is the top of your pot or whatever, so you want your wording to make sense with this being at the top. I don't care about that right now. I don't know why I'm holding on to that. I'm going to go ahead and just stamp this, and then I'll come back to show you how we run that through. And for that one, again, this is paper that has like texture to it, so the stamping is usually not super crisp, but there we go. And I'm gonna run that through. And we also need our carrier piece. So let me see what they're saying as far as that. Oh, okay. I'm gonna run these through, and then we'll use this pot die and this carrier piece, but I'll be right back. Guys, look how cute. I don't know, whenever I color, it always looks kind of like a cartoon coloring. That's so cute. And here we go. So we have those pieces, but now we'll need this piece. And you can run it through whatever color coordinates, whatever works for you. I'm just going to run it through white paper so it looks kind of like this guy. So we need this, and then we need this insert so that you have something to run your sentiment up and down. So just center that as well as you can. And run that through. And then just run that through, and then you'll have that piece that you'll need for your sentiment to go up and down. Okay, so now we have all our pieces. So what I'm going to do is grab a card base. I know it says 5x7 here. I don't know if it has to be 5x7. I think you can do A2 size. Okay, so I'm going to do A2 size card, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have a card base here. We have all our beautiful little pieces. Really, really fun. Just I love the design. So here I just have this bright pink card base that I just had in my stash. It was actually a 5x7. I guess I could have shown you what that would have looked like, but I cut it down to A2 size, which would be 8.5 by 5.5 scored at 4 1/4, and then I just grabbed a piece of black cardstock that I thought would really make it pop, but then I thought, well, maybe some embossing on this one. So this is a 4 1/8 by 5 3/8 piece of cardstock that I have embossed, and then we'll just put together our little flower pot. Let's get some of this going. That'd be great. All right, let's see here. All that embossing, you really want to get that glue on there. And I'll put this to the side for now. I'm going to put something heavy on top of it, and we'll start assembling this guy. So for your gift or for this, you're going to need the base, which is the gift base or the pot, the one with the insert on either one, right? This is just an extra design option. And then you need your top part, so that could be the top of the gift or like either option for the flowers. And then this guy. And then this guy, we're just going to glue it on here. Now, this one, I might do this a little bit differently because I do want to know exactly where this is going to be if I leave it a little bit like that or down here. So I think I'm going to do it a little bit differently than the instruction there. So I'm going to go ahead and score those. This is basically step 3, but you should have or would have already put your gift on there. The gift is flat on the top, so it's easier to gauge. But for now, since this is the first one I make, I want to see exactly where that's going to be. So let's go ahead and just glue this part down. Right to about there. Okay, I'm just going to hold that down, and you're just gluing those two little tabs together. And then that's going to be your slider for this guy. Okay. I'm going to wait for that to hold up just a little bit, and I'll be right back. Now this front side, this would be step 4. You're putting glue here. You don't want it on the track, but you do want it pretty snugly. That way, you know, your track's not just kind of moving around so much. So just around the edge and just right up to there. And you bring your base, and you would do the same thing for the gift. The gift has little thinner areas, and just holding that, okay, before I test it. You're basically sandwiching that. Okay, so now I'm going to push this down. And if it's there, we have this guy, and I mean, you can either tuck inside a little bit, or you can just kind of sit on top, but it kind of cannot mess with it, so I just want to see kind of where I need to be. About there. Okay. So I am missing just a little bit down at the bottom, so I'm going to put glue and just kind of leave that here. I mean, that's how I'm doing it, so it's just a little bit peeking out. Yeah, that's good. And then I didn't put glue here, so if it overlaps, that's fine. I mean, I guess you could do that completely if you want it to overlap. You just don't want it getting in the way when you go to do this. You know, that's pretty good. I did overlap it just a little bit more, because I could. Alright, I'm just going to hold that down. But that's basically it. So, there you go. Your little pot, and this thanks a whole bunch. Oh my goodness, how cute. Okay, and as we did in the other video here, I did bring out the 3D adhesive from the last time, because it's basically the same from this kit, but I'm just going to open this one up since it's already open. And you are going to line up your little glue tabs, just like this, just on the edge, and making sure it's not touching like the area that needs to go up and down here. So for the pot, like out here, just kind of staying away from everything, and I'll do the same thing on this side. Oh, where's my card? I forgot to put it under here. So there's that. And we'll just bring this guy over. And I'm just going to pop it kind of in the center here. Cute. So that's what keeps it up, so that the person can actually grab it and bring that up. And it says pull right there, so that's how you know to do that. They have a little bow. I mean, you can put the bow in the flowers. You can put it, oh, that's cute. Right there, right in the center. And I'll put it right here. Let me see if that, okay, if that's there. Right there. Right here. And that is my card. Super cute, super easy. Wow, these are really, really adorable. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you so much, Diane Press, for sending these items for review. Images coming up. I have the links in the description box. And I will see you all at the next one. Aw. All right, bye now.